Today we're making spaghetti carbonara.
Coming in 2, 3. No, 2, 3, 1. This is hot already. Be careful, don't get. Video is coming. In 2. Wait. 3, 1. Go. Alright, man. So what are we doing now?
We have the guanciale.
Oh, look at that. Fantastic. So that's what the guanciale is coming in, my friend. That's the guanciale. And what do we do with the guanciale? We take the guanciale fat, the oil,
Yeah.
and what do we use it for?
For the half for the cream and half the other half leave it in the pan.
All right.
And then whisk the egg yolk.
Let's get whiskey.
We added 4 egg yolks.
4 egg yolks, perfect. So that's gonna give us a nice egg cream, right, man?
Right.
Making sure that the guanciale doesn't stick to the bottom. It smells so good. And there's Andy hanging in there. Hey, Andy. This is a great carbonara pasta, one of my favorite recipes that Manny makes. Say something to your family, Manny. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Go. All right, Manny. So the guanciale is ready. The sauce is ready. So what are we doing now?
We add the pasta in.
Okay. All right. Okay, so what are we doing now? We're putting the pasta in the pan, and now you're adding
The egg mix, and we put the pasta spaghetti in.
all right.
Mix it.
Okay, I see what you're doing to get all of it out. Perfect.
And now we mix it.
Look at how creamy, guys. Look at how creamy it is. A little bit of pasta water, maybe.
Yeah.
Look how creamy it is.
Then add more black pepper.
Oh, I love black pepper. So tasty. This is the best carbonara, guys. I wish you were here. This smells so good. All right, man. So here is now we have the pasta in the pan. Do you want me to help you with this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And what are we adding now, Manny?
the guanciale.
Oh, look at that. Look at how creamy is this pasta. Oh my goodness. Manny, so people sometimes ask if you add cream to carbonara. Is that allowed or not?
No.
You make your own cream?
Mm-hmm. And then
Fantastic, so creamy.
Now get a plate.
Right, Manny. So, what do we have today?
We are gonna wait. So we have the carbonara done the right way. And then put the cream on top. I need the spoon.
Here. There's a lot of cream. Look at that.
And then add the more pecorino.
Pecorino.
Black pepper.
Ooh. Black pepper. My favorite, the guanciale, guys.
This is the ultimate spaghetti carbonara. Yummy. That's good.